How to unlink Epic Games account from Rockstar Social Club account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can unlink your Epic Games account from Rockstar Social Club account. Now the process is quite simple. Now what you want to do is first you want to open up your browser. You want to head into your browser, whether it be on your phone or your laptop, it doesn't really matter. Simply head into your browser and search in for rockstargames.support or support Rockstar Games. You just want to search in for Rockstar Support at the Chrome. Here you can see I searched in for support that Rockstar Games, and you will get the first link there, Rockstar Games customer support. Simply tap on it and you'll be headed to this page. Now once here, what you want to do is you want to select the option Social Club here, since you want to unlink it from Social Club. Simply tap on Social Club, and if you scroll down below you'll find various options. You can see Social Club account step verification, can't log in, and if you scroll down further below you'll find the option unlinking an account from Social Club. Simply tap on that option, and once here you can see the option to unlink for non-Steam accounts or for Steam accounts, and you can go ahead to this link here and you can submit a ticket if you want to unlink your account. In case this doesn't work, what you can do is simply head back to the home page where you started, and here you want to select the GTA 5 option. Once you select GTA 5 option, what you want to do is you want to scroll down. Well, you'll either get the login option at the bottom of your screen, or if you head at the top right corner, you can see sign in or join Social Club. You want to simply sign into your account, and once you sign in you want to head into the support option, help option, and then you want to submit a ticket, and then you want to submit a request or a ticket to unlink your account. So this is the only way you can unlink Epic Games account from Rockstar Social Club account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.